Alright guys, probably about a year ago I did a real quick video about corrosion on your rims against your hub. It's an aluminum rim and a steel hub, and I used a bunch of anti-seize and cleaned it up real good. So it's been probably about a year. I got all the lug nuts off. Let's see how this works. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm hoping that I don't have to get the old sledgehammer out. Yeah. Perfect. So here you go. Little anti-seize around the hub. You can see a little rust there, but yeah, nice. Popped right off. Alright, time for a brake job. Do a few more videos of that too while I'm at it. Get this big jumbo out of the way. Go from there. Thanks for watching.